Welcome back to VUDU Garage. Today we are going to be doing some more APR software. So we've got an Audi S3 that's about to run through the garage into the dyno. We're going to be fitting, just as you can see there, probably a little bit in the distance, we've got some APR hardware that's going to be going on the car as well. New, I think it's an 18 plate, 67 plate, 7-speed DSG box. So again, generally you don't actually have to put a TCU map on this box on a stage 1 tune. Probably advised to do it on a stage 2, but yeah, at stage 1 you can probably get away with it. So we're going to be flashing APR stage 1 onto the car, which again should make around about the 370 horsepower mark. You've then got again the carbon intake going on. We've got a cast turbo elbow, and we've also got the carbon inlet hose. So again, loads of APR parts going onto this car today. We're going to be going out on the road, doing a little bit road testing. You know, we'll get some drive-by shots and stuff like that, some in-car footage, because again, these things are awesome when they're mapped up. So we'll make sure that we've got loads and loads of graphs for you at the end of the day, as we always do. Standard runs, making sure that there's no underlying issues. This APR tuning is second to none. Now, genuinely, obviously, I don't own a Volkswagen or Audi, but it's so interesting to see all the cars come out on the dyno. We've genuinely never had one that's not made power or more. So the quality and, you know, the R&D that goes into the APR software is insane. Again, second to none. So make sure you stay tuned. We're going to go and have a look around the car, because obviously these S3s are really nice. So we'll have a little look in and out. We'll have a look at Hayden, obviously fitting the parts to the car, again the whole dyno process, and then we'll get out on the road, which is obviously the exciting bit. As we've just seen, standard dyno testing has been complete, no underlying issues, so the car's perfectly fine, running really healthy. Again, APR carbon intake hose. We've also got the cast turbo inlet that's all on. Again, that's going to help once we've mapped the car. It would appear that it's given it a little bit of that little bit of oomph as well on its standard runs. We're already making 280 at the wheels, as well as 280 feet-pound of torque. So again, nice and healthy, where we would hope for it to be at. We're now going to start the flashing process just behind us. So again, APR stage 1, hoping for around about 370 at the engine. I'll get some wheel horsepower quotes obviously once the car's actually been done. But yeah, all positive so far. job's complete. Obviously the car, as you've just seen there, increased horsepower from 280 again, which was a strong base run on a standard map. We jumped up from 280 feet-pound all the way up to 343 feet-pound. Again, that's on a low torque map as well, so it's quite conservative. So customer's really happy. Hayden and the customer have just gone out on a test drive before myself and Nick go and jump in the car, and we're going to do again a little bit of exterior car footage, just so you can get a little bit of a feel for the sound that's coming off the car and stuff like that. But yeah, overall customer's really happy. We're really happy with the outcome as well. So make sure you like and subscribe to the channel as always. Leave a comment in the comment section if you've got any questions at all. In the description, again, as always, there'll be loads and loads of links there for all of the APR tuning that we do, all of the MQB sort of platform modifications that we offer. And other than that, we've got a Volkswagen and Audi and BMW open day at the end of the month, so if you're interested in coming down and meeting the team, you know, seeing the facility for itself and maybe doing a little bit of dyno time, make sure you ping us a message, and again we'll send you the details on. So again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.